AquaSPArkle Spa FoamAway is a fast-acting liquid used to prevent and destroy unsightly foam on the surface of the spa water. Apply FoamAway direct to your spa water whilst the pump is turned on to help dispersion.
FoamAway is formulated not only to destroy the foam, but to prevent it if used on a weekly basis. Generally, spa chemicals do not cause the water to foam. One of the most common causes of foamy water is a residue of detergents carried into the water from swimsuits after they've been washed. Consider hand rinsing swimwear to help remove any leftover residue. While swimsuits are a common cause of foamy water, body lotions, hair care products and cosmetics can also be the cause. Make sure the spa water is correctly balanced, as soft water may also be contributing to the problem. For further help, please contact your AquaSPArkle dealer.
Remember, never to mix chemicals together. Always add chemicals to water, never the other way round. Check the way the wind is blowing when adding chemicals to an outdoor spa. Wear protective clothing as required. Store chemicals in a responsible manner in a cool, dry place.